Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Active Campaign Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you refresh the tab and you head down to the custom page. Click on it, then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you will have access to the documentation, smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of the app. We have here the setup feature. Here the app has not yet been connected. No worries, let's walk you through on that. We've already created our account online. Head to our account, head to the settings, then you click on the developer and you will have all your API access here. Copy the URL, head back to your account, click on Start Setup. You paste the URL here, then you copy the key, head back and you do same. Then you click on Complete Setup. There you go. Your app has been connected successfully. We have a support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team. We have the change log where you're going to see all the new updates and changes made concerning this app. If you want to receive emails, don't hesitate to toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.